Cal here. This video is going to be a brief overview of UStrap, the new interface builder for UBot Studio. So this is the layout of the application. It's a Node application, it's not built with UBot, so it is a fast application. If I just close out of it and reopen the app, you'll be able to see that it does load up very fast. Bear in mind that I am screen recording at the same time. So the components are on the left, which you drag onto the component view, and the properties will load up on the right, which you can just edit. There's two views: a component view where you drop your components on, which will be the actual interface that you're building. So if we preview that, we'll see that that's what the interface would look like inside your bot. The modal view is where you drop modals, and you can add the buttons or the components onto the modal, and then this won't be seen inside the UI when it's exported. But if it's triggered by, say, this button, let's toggle that modal, and we'll target the modal. Preview that. We'll see that when we click the button, we see the modal. Just makes editing the modals easier. It has multiple themes, which you can select from here. Also a grid, which we can turn on, so the components snap to the grid. You can turn the grid view off and on, but the grid will still be on and the display won't be. Preview button you've just seen. JavaScript, you can add custom JavaScript if you need to manipulate any of the components in your interface. Import super simple UI builder code, so try and convert old code into the new components. And import export. You can also import UI command code from UBot Studio. So let's say I have this tab, account creation. We can switch to code view, select the code, copy that, go back to UStrap, paste it in there and import, and we'll see that the components have loaded up on the left, and we can just add the components onto the view. Obviously you'd make it a bit nicer than this. There's also a context menu where you can delete components, you can cut them and paste them, duplicate them to make creating them faster. You can also edit any tooltip on any of the components. So select its placement, we'll have it on the bottom, update that element, and we can see the tooltip there. Exporting is a little different to Super Simple UI Builder now. You just select the export tab, import export tab, go on the export tab, select your UBot file, and just delete the old one. So this is this bot here, UStrap example. So I select the directory and the export folder name, whatever you want to call it, UI or UStrap, whatever, and export the code. Let's copy that to a clipboard, and if we take a look in, you can see it's created a folder with a CSS and a JavaScript required, and that will load into the UI HTML panel inside UBot Studio. This just minimises the amount of code that's actually inside UBot Studio to stop it slowing it down. Just collapse some nodes. Oh no. Yeah, we just paste the command now straight onto the as a command, and that will load. You can see it's just one line with the HTML. The styles will get loaded and the JavaScript files. Yeah, you can see the modals. Yeah, I hope you like it. You can purchase below. There'll be plenty more updates coming for it, plenty more components being added. Thanks a lot, Carl.